Hello, welcome. Today we strum. I want to give a big shout out to my friend Wendy for painting this ukulele. She was inspired by a photo I gave her, and then she saw a mouth outside of her window and she painted it on there too. I had previously asked you to hold your hand like this, like you're holding something, and that was fine for you back then, but now we're kind of graduating from there, so I do want you to curve your hand, but it's not always going to be closed if it doesn't feel natural. Now it's about relaxing the hand and having a more natural strum. If the other nails hit every once in a while, that's okay too. Actually, right now, the funny thing, my pinky is hitting on some of those notes. I'm not doing it on purpose, but I don't mind it. So strum downwards with me. 1, 2, ready, go. For the next strumming pattern, this is a good one to use if you're playing ballads. These are like slower songs, and it sounds better if you switch chords. So I'm going to switch from C to A minor. Watch me first. The most important thing with strumming patterns is that even if your hand is still moving to the chord, you keep this one going always. This is supposed to be the heartbeat of the song. So if you stop your strum to switch, look, listen to this, don't play along, just listen. That is so awkward, right? So keep this hand moving even if this one is still switching to the chord. If you're not using a strap and your ukulele is falling, then rest it right here. Look, watch me play it. So this index finger is helping to be kind of like a strap that is helping me keep the ukulele in place. Otherwise, if I didn't have that finger there, look at what happens. I slow down because I need a finger holding the ukulele, right? So having that finger there will help you make that smooth transition. And I have it right above the nut so that it doesn't play on the first fret. And on these up strums, by the way, the soft part of your index finger is going to be hitting. So it's going to be softer. So the down strum is typically louder because you've got nail, right? A hard surface. And on the up, it's softer. So the next strumming pattern you can do as down up or as all downs. And where I'm from, they play a lot of mariachi music. So they do it like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But you can simplify it by doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright, next we have probably the most popular ukulele strum. This is called the island strum. So if you're jamming with people and they say, alright everybody, let's do this song on the island strum, this is what that means. Do the Riptide strum. I think this is probably like the most searched for ukulele song right after Can't Help Falling in Love, and that's the song that goes like this. That's that intro. So what the strum calls for is down, down, and then 2 fake strums where I'm not touching. So it's down, down, fake, fake, up, down, up. So let's practice that one on an A minor just to change things up. Try it. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, fake, fake, up, down, down, fake, fake, up, down, down, fake, fake, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so now let's review our strums because we retain more information if we review. So the first one, let's stay on A minor just to not bore ourselves with the same chord. Okay, so the first one, 1, 2, ready, go. See, even in this strum we have fake ones, right? It's down, fake, down, fake, down, fake, because we're coming back up without strumming. So down, 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 down. Alright, next strum. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, next strum, you can do all down strums, or you can do it down, up, down, up, down, up, depending on the sound that you enjoy. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Or alright, the island strum, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. Relax the hand. Breathe. Try it softly. Get a little louder. Louder. And to play with dynamics, you either make a small range strum, like, or a larger range strum. I'm dropping from much higher to make a louder strum. Let's do the honorable Bernie strum. 1, 2, ready, and let's do the riptide strum. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, fake, fake, up, down, down, fake, fake, up, down, down, fake, fake, up, down, up. That's probably gonna be one that you'll have to work on for a little while. One of the reasons why many people quit playing ukulele is that they hear the Riptide song, they buy a uke, and then they want to play that as their first song, and they get disappointed when they can't. So I'm happy that you're here taking on the 30-day challenge, because you know it takes a while to build a habit and skills. So I'm happy that you're here. This last strum might take a week or longer to master, so that's okay. Work on these strumming patterns and relax the hand. Try to keep a sleepy hand as you do them. You could just focus on one today, one the next day, so on and so forth, so that after a week you have them all mastered. Or you could just sit down and kind of practice through them all. Have fun with this one, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!